Hi everyone. Today we making Jjimdak, Andong Jjimdak. Normally in the Jjimdak means spicy in the chicken stew, but we have soy sauce, a little bit darker color. We have chicken, glass noodle, many vegetable, green onion, carrot, cabbage, garlic, jalapeno, half onion, very small potato, one mushroom, soy sauce, sugar, hot pepper, everything. So let's go. So first we making sauce. First chopping the green onion. Half cup brown sugar, half cup soy sauce, and a half cup water, 1 tablespoon in the black pepper, and celery. So now we using two chicken, vegetable. Glass noodle, just a half water. Sweet potato noodle, glass noodle, and put in the hot water. Soaking in the 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes is done. Hot water. So we using the chicken in bite size. Four tablespoons. One teaspoon in the hot pepper, powder, 고춧가루. We put in the pasta sauce, little boiling in chicken and sauce. First put in the potato. We boiling after almost 10 minutes, and another vegetable. In the olive oil. If you don't like in the spicy jalapeno, you just couple one. I'm putting the all jalapeno. I like it spicy. Wow. So you put in the pork in the some onion, potato all done. This that means chicken is done. So I'm put the last one, put in the sweet potato noodle and glass noodle. Here. Mix a little bit. And we'll cook in the 3 and 4 minutes. We just
What's so funny?
look at say action.
Action.
Action, please, and subscribe. You know what? Like and subscribe and food.
Okay, look at.
Time to eat.
Please like and subscribe on our videos. I hope you like. Please enjoy and see you to the next video.